Again, we have Mario Danzy, Jake Coffey, Brooks Sherry, and Brady De La Garza. In front of the head table, singlets only. That's 10 and under, 73-pound weight class. Alan Oaktay, could you please come to the head table, sir? Next up, we have the 8 and under, 67-pound weight class. We need C. Smith of Texas, J. Bobek of Oklahoma, A. Kuhn of Missouri, and E. Hines of Oklahoma to the front of the head table. Singlets only. Again, that's C. Smith, Texas, J. Bobek, Oklahoma, A. Kuhn, Missouri, and E. Hines of Oklahoma. In front of the head table, please.
Step over! Up, go backwards, drive!
Alright, Paul, let's make it happen! Let's go! Paul, let's make it happen!
Alan Oaktay to the head table, please. Alan Oaktay, head table, please.
Don't give it up. Don't give it up.
Cole, don't let him have that.
What you hold him? What you?
Yeah.
Relax. Relax.
Come on, Cole.
There you go. Step over. Step over. There you go. Drive, Cole. Drive. Drive, Cole. Drive. Just relax. Come on, Cole! Do something! No. Hard! There you go! Woo, you got lucky on that. Cole, you got to throw that hard!
I need A. Kuhn of Missouri to the head table. 867-pounder.
Come on, Cole! Come on, Cole!
Come on, Cole, you can do it. One more minute, baby.
And Mario Danzy, the 10 and under 73-pounder. I need you up here to the head table, please.
Wait for the whistle, Ken. Hurry up, Cole.
You gotta get up, Cole! Get your head off the mat!
40 seconds!
Again, folks, we're going to get stacked up on this if you don't pay attention a little bit.
40 seconds, Cole!
You're novice, so really focus on this.
There you go, there you go! There you go! There you go! Hold him! Hold him, Cole! Hold him! Hold him! Get him back over! Get him back over! He's got it broke! Come on! He squeezed, Cole! Squeeze, Cole! Squeeze! Squeeze, Cole! Squeeze, Cole! Squeeze!
Please refrain from down the floor.
Way to work.